Happy Holi! Good morning, you guys. I just kind of finished gathering up everything. I just finished cleaning up the house, setting out all the decorations, getting all the food and everything prepped. I'm picking up Indian probably at like 11:30-ish or so. I'm gonna try to call it in a little earlier than that. They don't open until 11:30, but I just thought I would really quick show you guys the little area I have set up. So that's the walkway coming in. I have a little PlayStation right down here, which has powders, henna. I got some powdered firework thingies, I'm not sure. Chalk, if we want to draw with chalk. And I got a new sarong that is yellow, and I love this color, so I'm super excited about this. Plus, I got it at the dollar store here on Maui, but look, it looks like it's from India. It has all the sparkle on it. I love it. It makes me so happy. I also got some of this little stuff and like these blue hanging thingies, you know, just little things. And then I also have the table set up, but I got these cup holder coasters in India, and they're just so pretty that I don't actually use them. So I set them out as decoration on occasion, like I did today. $20 I owe Amy for quarters for laundry. Anyways, I probably won't take that much video today. We aren't going to do that much with color. Trying to think of what else to say. We really aren't going to do that much today. I'm going to eat some Indian food. Amy and Sarah and Kaylee are going to come by. Amanda unfortunately had other things going on today. Here's the truth of it, guys. The truth of it is that I procrastinated and I didn't plan this in advance. I sent a message out yesterday and was like, if you guys are free, please come by. So I don't have any major expectations about today, but I will insert some photos of the little food setup I have going right now, and then once everything comes, and then maybe some color video, and we'll see what else I come up with. Hopefully this is enjoyable. It's been a long time since I've made a video, so it's a little weird. Yeah, okay, I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, Amy's here. Well, she was here. She actually just ran back to her house really quick. She lives right around the block. Sarah will be here shortly. I'm picking up food in 25 minutes. So, I don't know what that was. Yeah, I will see you guys back here in a little while with Sarah and Kaylee and Amy and me and some food. Okay, bye. I'm just thinking we light it and then we set it on the ground. Oh, Sarah, move this direction a little bit. To get in the frame. Get in the frame, yeah. Ready? Yep, it's just... Yay! Happy Holi! Sweet. It's not hot? Okay, good. Uh-oh, car! Game off! Yep. Sweet. Yeah, at the bottom. We'll just set them right here for now. Just in case they're... All right, love you ladies. Happy Holi! 1, 2, 3. Yay! Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Woo! Okay, we're done. Aloha, you guys. Happy Holi. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Jonah is at work, and so when he gets home, I will probably celebrate a little bit with him. Anyways, we are all finished for the day. I'm gonna go put some food away, but here's really what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna flip the phone around so I can show you what I'm actually going to do. So that's where we played. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like a pink and green hue across the car, plus a bunch of bird dew. So we're gonna wash the car.